Hello everyone from Gatlinburg. I wanted to take a ride down the parkway and show you how things are going. I hope you guys are doing wonderful, having a great day. Some traffic, of course. It being, I believe it's the 10th of June. And we don't know what this. Let's go. Nobody's in the crosswalk. This is why I normally don't drive downtown, but I am meeting someone, and I don't want to be all hot and sweaty when I get there. So that is why we're doing this. Summer is here, guys. Guys, always stop at the crosswalks. You never know. Like right now. Please always look. You never know. Goodness. As you get further up the parkway, it gets less congested, crowded. If you are driving on the parkway here, even though I'm on the left lane, if I can get into the right lane, I'm going to show you. I'll wait for this car to go by here. More than likely, the people in the left lane, they will be turning onto, see, they're not stopping this crosswalk. More than likely, they will be turning onto Airport Road. So if you are on the main parkway, I would stay in the right lane. That's if you're going all the way to the end. Stopping on the crosswalk. Stop! My gosh! I jokingly say everybody is in such a hurry to get to the next red light. So before I turned the camera on, I redid my pedometer, and it is exactly just over a mile so far. From where the red light is, near Old Reds, to the park.